Looking for cloud storage that gives you plenty of space without breaking the bank? Terrabox promises massive free storage, but how well does it actually work? I spent time using it, and here's my honest take. Most people get this wrong. They assume free cloud storage means limited functionality, but Terrabox offers 1 TB of free storage when you sign up. That's huge compared to other services that typically offer only 5-15 GB for free. The app is easy to use. You can upload files from your phone or desktop, organize them in folders, and share links with others. The sync feature works well for backing up photos and videos automatically. The surprising truth is that while storage space is generous, Terrabox does have ads in the free version, and upload speeds can be slower compared to paid services like Google Drive or Dropbox. For heavy users or large file transfers, you might notice a delay. Security is decent. Terrabox uses standard encryption for data storage and transfer, but it doesn't have advanced enterprise-level security features, so for highly sensitive files, you might want a more robust solution. Paid plans remove ads, improve upload speeds, and offer additional storage options beyond 1 TB, but even the free tier is enough for casual users who want to store documents, photos, and videos without worrying about space. In conclusion, Terrabox is a solid option if you want a huge amount of free storage and basic cloud backup capabilities. It's perfect for students, casual users, or anyone who needs to store large media collections without spending money. Subscribe for more honest cloud storage reviews and tips to make the most of your digital space.